Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hopefully it's not as hot where you are as it is here. It's like 90 degrees here in Seattle, which I will say it does not completely feel like 90 degrees, especially Florida 90 degrees. Yes, we are doing another Disney video, the last one. You know what? I forgot something. Hold on one second. I got these at Disney and I completely fell in love with Thumper and then Dumbo second. Oh my gosh, aren't they so cute? Such a side note, but oh my gosh, I love these little two things. They're so cute. Look at those ears. Look at those ears. Look at those eyes. Okay, we're just gonna leave these right here. Anyway, it is hot here, but it has a nice wind and the humidity isn't as high as it was in Florida. For my last video, I wanted to tell you about my Walt Disney World trip and 10 tips and tricks that I learned while there, and you know, some things that I probably do differently. So let's get into it, shall we? Yeah. Okay. Number one, I thought that I might need more than one outfit per day, but guys, seriously, if you're going to Disney in the summer, have at least 2 outfits per day. So I was hot, it was 90, it was not any rain in the morning. It rained like 2 times during the day we went during the July 4th week. And yes, it was busy. To me, not overly busy than what I'm used to at Disney, but I was sweaty by noon. I just thought, let me have 2 outfits per day just in case, because it was hot. So happy, like 2 full outfits, including undergarments and everything. Even if you don't use that second outfit, which we did every day, it's nice to have. So I know it means you probably taking not just the carry-on luggage anymore. Now you're checking a bag, but it's so worth it. Like, seriously, best decision ever. Think about the resort that you're going to be staying at, and what if you're going to all 4 theme parks or whatever, if you have kids or not. Think about the time that it takes you to get to that resort to the park from the resort you're staying at. So we stayed at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, one of my favorite resorts, right after the Contemporary, just because the Contemporary, when we stay there, we just walk to the Magic Kingdom and take the monorail to the Magic Kingdom or to Epcot. It's just close to everything. Animal Kingdom, the best part about staying at Animal Kingdom is the fact that you see the animals outside your room. But the only way you can get to all the theme parks is by taking the bus as transportation. So if you get there in time, the buses run every 20 minutes. So if you miss the bus, you gotta wait 20 minutes for the bus, and it took us 25 minutes to get to Magic Kingdom. So you wanna make sure you at least give an hour if you have dining reservations somewhere outside of Animal Kingdom Lodge. It's time consuming. And so use Uber. We used Uber every day because we were either running late or we didn't want to deal with the bus. Because also at the end of the night, think Magic Kingdom fireworks afterwards, everyone's going outside the park. If you can get to the first bus, you're standing, you know, unless you left early from the fireworks so you can get in line. You're standing for 20 to 25 minutes to get to Animal Kingdom Lodge, which sucks. It's free transportation, so, you know, appreciate that. But we end up Ubering at places, which, by the way, Uber there wasn't expensive. It was like $10. Now, at peak times, like after Magic Kingdom fireworks, it was $20, which isn't bad. Make dining reservations every day. I have been to Disney a lot and made the mistake. I didn't make a mistake. I did it on purpose, but while being there, I'm like, this was such a mistake. I said, I'm only going to make a few dining reservations. So I made reservations to the Hoop-De-Doo review, which was amazing. I made reservations for Cinderella's Royal Table, which was great. And I made reservations to Ohana for dinner, which was fantastic. But basically, we went day by day, and I said, I don't want us being stopped by, oh, we have to stop our day for a dining reservation. But what happens is when you're ready to eat, my goal was, oh, when we're ready to eat, I'll look what's available and we'll go with what's available. However, that sometimes doesn't work out well. Works out well sometimes, like we did get into the Brown Derby, which was great. Love the Brown Derby. And we were able to get into California Grill after I was refreshing a lot. But it would be better if I just made dining reservations for all of the days, at least once a day. You didn't have to do twice, but at least once a day. And the restaurants are better than counter service. That's just my own opinion. Check FastPass before going on your ride. So I only made one FastPass, and that was for Flights of Passage to Avatar. I saw people, I only could make one for Flights of Passage. I couldn't do it for Navi too. Those are two category 1 or what have you, or they're in the same category where you can't make fast passes for those at the same time. You would have to do that on a different day or after you use your first fast pass to Flights of Passage. So we wanted to go on the other ride, so we had to stand in line. What I didn't do was check while I was in line, because the line was like 80 minutes, to see if a fast pass became available. Fast passes became available at the beginning where we were in the line, and people were getting out. And just to let you know, for Flights of Passage, it took us 15 minutes just to get through. Like the whole ride, we were done. Whereas 80 minutes on Navi standing there, we could have been done if I had just checked for the fast pass while I was in line. So don't forget to do that, or even before you get on the ride. I did, but before I got in line, but there was nothing there. But while I was in line, something opened up and people got it, which was great for them. Bad for us, but great for them. Use the counter service app for counter service ordering. We did that. That was amazing. We stood in the shade instead of standing in line to wait for someone to take our order. It sent me a text message when it was ready. That was amazing. I had my credit card already on the app, Disney Experience. I paid. It was really simple and really fast. So would definitely recommend that. Check in before you get to the resort. We were at our layover and I got a text message that said, your room is ready. Your room number is this. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Yes, I didn't have to stand in line when I got there, give my credit card, tell them all this stuff. No, my room number, everything. And what I did was I got the information. I called and said, hey, is this a king bed, queen bed, and et cetera, et cetera. If you want to change it out, they'll tell you what they have available, or it may be available later. But it was a great feature. And so when we got to Animal Kingdom Lodge, we just went straight to our room and went in. No stopping at the front desk. Next thing that I thought was super cool that I loved was getting items sent to your room. If you're staying on Disney property and you're buying things in the parks, some of those have the option to being sent back to your resort. So you don't have to carry them around. Didn't even think about that. Didn't even think about saying, hey, can you ship this to my resort? Well, no, you're going to put it in a bag and I'm going to carry it around because I bought it. No, not at Disney. The option of shipping it to your resort and having it there when you get back is an option. Or mailing it to your home, which of course you would pay the mailing fees. How amazing is that? That's awesome. I love that. Take time to check out Disney Springs. I enjoyed Disney Springs. We did an afternoon at Disney Springs and it was great. It was really nice. The shopping area, if you haven't been to Disney World in a while, it is no longer downtown Disney. They have some good eats there, some good food, and some really good shopping. Like, okay, this is a real shopping center, not just Disney stuff. They have a Sephora there. They have all type of stuff. Like, it was cool. It was really nice and I enjoyed it. So don't think you don't have to go to Disney Springs because there's nothing there. No, there's some cool stuff there. My last one, and the biggest one to me, which is I try to do for this trip, is, guys, don't try and see everything. Don't forget, you're actually on vacation. You're supposed to be having fun and it's supposed to be enjoyable. Because for me, for Disney, sometimes I can get a little bossy and like, hey, we gotta see this and have a regimented schedule. And I've been that way in the past. I know, right? So I said this time, no, I'm gonna make sure it's enjoyable, no structured schedule. If we don't see stuff that I wanna see, it's okay, we'll be back. I'm already planning next vacation there. I love Disney, but yes, it's vacation. Have fun, enjoy, and don't forget that, because you can leave Disney and be so tired and kind of hate Disney because of the regimented schedule that you put forth and made Disney into some type of boot camp that you have to get up at 7 in the morning and you're up till midnight and you got to do it for 2 weeks straight or however long you're at Disney. Don't do that to you or the people who are with you. Have fun, enjoy the food, enjoy the togetherness. So yeah, I hope these 10 things helps you out and are beneficial to you, because they were beneficial for me and some of the things that I would change when I go back next time. I love talking Disney with you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I just said that, but I really do hope you guys enjoyed it, and maybe I've turned you into a Disney fan, or at least thinking about going to Disney World. And I don't want to end this video because I love Disney World. and I love talking about it. And so I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys next time in my non-Disney video. Bye. 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 See you real soon. Aww.